Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover Hotmail password without phone number and alternate email. After entering your email address at the outlook.com sign-in screen, you'll prompt for your password, Microsoft account. Enter a dialog in your password and then click Forget on Password for a list of ways to get security code to prove your identity. This is recovery information that you previously set up in your account configuration. If you have added base two-factor authentication enabled, you may be asked for your current two-factor code, or using it may be simply as an option. So firstly, select the Authenticator app, then head to your app. For example, Google Authenticator. Get the code, paste it into the Hotmail recovery screen, and then create a new password, confirm it, and you're done. You just recovered your Hotmail account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.